In this video, you'll learn how to copy your profile link on the eBay mobile app. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to share your eBay profile with others easily. Start by locating the eBay mobile app on your device and tapping to open it. If you are not signed in yet, enter your login credentials and tap sign in to access your account. Once logged in, look for the profile icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After tapping on the profile icon, you will be directed to your public profile page. Wait a moment for the profile to load completely. This is important because you need to ensure that all your details. Next, on your profile page, look for the share icon. This icon usually resembles an upward arrow of 3 interconnected dots. Tap on it to reveal a menu of sharing options. From this menu, select the copy link option. This action will copy your profile link directly to your device's clipboard. To verify that the link has been copied correctly, you may want to test it. Open a web browser on your device and paste the link into the address bar. If the profile loads successfully, you can be confident that the link is ready for sharing. Now that you have your profile link copied, you can paste it into social media platforms, messages, or emails. This allows you to share your eBay profile with potential buyers or followers. It is advisable to keep your profile updated and professional, as this will enhance your branding and attract more interest. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.